Hi, my name is Floyd. I'm a financial consultant and a CPA. We've been doing a review of internal controls. We've covered budgeting, bank reconciliation, segregation of duties. Today we're going to talk about financial statements. It's very important, it's critical for the church to prepare financial statements every month. The financial statements that need to be prepared is the statement of financial position. It is similar to a balance sheet for a for-profit company. Statement of financial position, it has your assets, liabilities, and net assets. The net assets are broken down between net assets with restrictions, net assets without restrictions. The statement of activities is similar to an income statement for a for-profit, and it has your revenues and expenses. But your revenues and net assets are broken down between net assets with restrictions, net assets without restrictions. And it shows the increase in net assets from the beginning of the period to the end of the period. We have the statement of cash flows, and it's all the inflows and outflows of cash for the period. Then finally, the statement of functional expenses. And these are line by line expenses for the general administrative programs and fundraising. Not only do the financial statements need to be prepared, but they also need to be reviewed on a monthly basis. So we should be reviewing the budgeted versus actual results, for example, for the month of July 2020. If our contributions don't meet what we were expecting from our budget, well, what happened? If we're spending more for the month of July 2020 than what we had in our budget, well, what happened? We should also be reviewing on our statement of activities. So for July 2020, let's look at our revenues and expenses, and then we'll compare it to July 2019. What changed? We also should do a year-to-date comparison for our statement of activities for 2020 compared to 2019. Again, what changed? These financial statements need to be reviewed with management, the board, finance committee, but there also needs to be an analysis. So again, it's never just prepare the financial statements, but it's also, well, let's have some answers and be able to explain what happened, what changed. Until next time.